Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Blue Peafowl in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Wait, let me open up my bird watching diary. Okay, and I've unlocked this bird. This is the Blue Peafowl, and I'm going to show you the details guys. Actually it's active daily, but for the weather condition, it can only appear during sunny condition, rainy condition, and also rainbow event. And this is the source. I catched this bird during the Nest of Hundreds event. So if you want to find this bird, I would like to recommend you to join this event in Heartopia. And this event usually hosted by Bailey J in Heartopia. And now I think it's available. You can go to the fishing village and you're going to start the challenge. Okay, as you can see, Nest of Hundreds event now is available and you can track it. Then you can just go bird watching. Okay guys, and that's how we can find the Blue Peafowl in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.